the king.
You
greeting to the king?
Yeah, you're greeting the king, greeting the whole nation.
Okay.
You come here to invite the...
Yes.
Okay.
I'm started first.
Yeah, we are live now.
Yes.
Bafowethu ngizobingelela isihlalo sakwaZulu, ngibingelele indlunkulu, ngibingelele umhlaba wonke jikelele onke amazwe, ngiphinde ngibingelele abaholi bonke, ngibingelele ngokukhethekile amakhosi wakithi onke e-Afrika ngiyawabingelela, zonke izizwe ngiyawabingelela, namakhosi engiwakhele, inkosi yakwaZulu, inkosi yasemazimeleni, inkosi yasemgqiteni, bese kuba uBhentinta lapho engazalwa khona kaNongoma. Ngizobika-ke lapha-ke ukuthi nje nanti uhambo aselingehlela, ngilandwe nangu umlungu usuka le phesheya, wakwazi ukufika kuqala esuka kwa-Israel, uthunywa ngabantu base-Italy, la ngibizwe khona ngamazwe ama-country awu-27. So bazongicela-ke namhlanje ekhaya ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngiyobavakashela, ngibabuzile-ke bethi uzongilanda, ngathi mina awukho ukhisimusi ngakubo, bathi ukhona ukhisimusi, ngathi no, ngisazohamba ngibikele amakhosi, ngibe nenhlanga zonke, ngendlunkulu, ngiyothola isibusiso, ngoba sengisuka khona onyazini, ngizophinde ngihambele amakhosi ami ekuwona engiwakhele, ngiyothola inhlahla, ngoba kukhona ukudlala ukubizwa amazwe omhlaba, ngoba akusikho ukuhlakanipha kwami, kuyisibusiso esisuka kubantu abadala nakuNkulunkulu. Yingakho ngithe bonke abalandeli nabantu angimbike nakubasupporters ami, nakuyifamily, nakuyindlunkulu. Just great the Zulu nation and the leader for the Zulu nation. Just great, even my family, just great, yes. Even my friends, yes. Just great now.
I want to thank you to Dr. 3second and all the Zulu nation for welcoming me, and I want to greet all the Zulu nation and Dr. 3second and the king, the first, and his beautiful family. And for me it's an honor to be here, and I am here to invite Dr. 3second and a team of Sangoma and other village in Italy for a great event with many therapists that will come from all over the world to learn about the culture and the healing techniques and spirituality from Zulu.
Yes.
And we are from Constellation team, that is a technique that is using all what the Zulu people, the Zulu nation gave us, but we want to great out ancestors of working, because I am a therapist also.
Okay.
And so we are inviting him and to Italy, and I will advertise it in many nations, like in Europe, for example, Italy, Germany, Austria, England, Spain, French, and Hungary, and then we have also
Mexico.
In Europe. And then we have Turkey, and also Israel, Holland, and Mexico, and Argentina, and Canada, and America.
UK.
So,
UK is
England. Yes,
England,
yes.
Yeah.
And so I hope that it will be a big event to make a deep connection with between us and the Zulu nation, and also to give thanks for the gift the Zulu nation gives to us therapists, Western therapists.
Yes. So
healing people.
Are we seeing these Western therapists working together with the Zulus? Because we're now seeing that is the second time that you are inviting Professor Dr. 3second.
Yes, and it's the third time that I am here in...
and it's your third time.
Yeah.
So now, can we see this working together across the world?
Yes.
Together with...
It is only the beginning.
It's only the beginning.
It's only the beginning.
So does this
The
mean
beginning-
every year you will be inviting?
I hope this is my intention and
Yeah,
my
for every, because I want
yes,
to sign
because
the
we
contract.
want to be together because they are our origins.
Okay, so tell us, why did you decide to choose, out of all the other people who are traditional healers in South Africa, why did you choose Professor Dr.
I
3second?
didn't choose. I have a call. I went here and it was my ancestors maybe, but I felt that here I have a authentic person, also with a big knowledge and a very big and large heart, and also very honest.
So how many countries overseas does Professor going to be visiting?
No, we will come to Italy, and the people from
this country they will come to Italy to that big
yes,
event.
Yes.
Oh, okay, no, I understand. So what is your message towards the people here in Africa during this festive season and the Christmas time? What can you say?
For what, please?
For Christmas time, the
Christmas
message
time,
for
the light and peace and harmony and connection.
And the connection. So to believe in spirit.
Yes.
Because you connect with spirit together with Dr. Professor
Yes.
3second.
Yes.
Mkhulu, Professor,
awumbuza ukuthi yini ngafika ngayenza phesheya ngoba ngafika la ekhandla kwasuka idwala la yaphezulu lapho uJesu wayefundisa khona abafundi bakhe ngithe ngisonga sengikhipha unyezi.
What was the experience that you actually saw when Professor was overseas?
I saw many signals.
Yeah. Can you mention?
Many signals that we can connect to the powers of Dr.
You remember was in the Tapao Mountain to give the sun the power to pick up the stone?
Yes, there was there a boy that with a candle, a grey candle, was not so good. So Dr. 3second says, please, tomorrow we will go to the mountain. It's the Jesus mountain in Galilee. It was
Tabo Mountain.
Tabo Mountain.
On
the Sea of Galilee and Jordan River. And who put this candle in a big block, on a big block, and we make the ceremony. And then after, it was a little candle like this after the ceremony, and Dr. 3second tell, please take out the candle, we go home. We take the candle and all the block with this little candle, 10 kilograms. Take with the candle, and we went home with 10 kilograms.
Wow.
With only a little candle of power.
Wow.
And at the same time, the sky was opened and the moon
is coming.
Wow. So when he started, there was no moon, it was dark.
No moon, yes.
So, but after that,
after that
that
when
prayer,
you take this,
the moon comes up.
The moon comes.
That's right,
For him, yes.
And the water, I held the phone in the hands. We remember the water is falling with the Jordan.
It was a phone for my friend.
Yeah.
It fall in the water.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened. Dr. 3second take the phone. Who was met the phone, and after 2 seconds, 3 seconds,
yes.
who were alive.
The phone was working.
Yes.
Wow. You.
So,
and no, but this is little things.
Yeah.
Because when he is working with people, it's not these things. It's more. Give many power to people.
Yes.
And also give also the possibility to believe in ourselves.
Yes.
This is the most important things that I think we can do.
Before it
really appreciate it.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Can I have your number, because I want to invite you to to this event.
Okay, no, he will give you. He got
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
Okay,
He will
I can
give-
telephone to you.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
Yes, you come.
Yeah,
You
I
come.
can
I
come.
want you as a translator,
Okay.
facilitator, because we come.
Because
we bring
of course-
Sangoma does it,
yeah,
because
and
of
also
course
to
it-
explain people about the spirituality.
Yes.
You,
Can we just go past there in the bigger house?
Yes.
Just to-
mana ngibatshena ke.
Okay.
Ngibatshena ukuthi bafowethu usehamba uneshiya ngoba esehamba nje useyaphesheya bebengizongilanda ekhaya ngifuna ngamazwe ama-country awu-27 phesheya ngoba useshilo wawabala angibangibizi manje kwa-Israel bangibiza e-Italy. Mina namhlanje-ke bengicela ukuthi-ke ngingazisa ukuthi-ke ngoba sengibiziwe nje kulamazwe aphesheya angihambele mina for lo msebenzi kuphela abaculi ngizobatshena ngoba ngisayine i-contract ka-30 years ngifuna ukuhamba nabaculi abahlukene for ngibachazele ukuthi spiritual sami nani nani kufanele kucula abantu bakithi e-South Africa ukuze ngizokwazi ukubalekelela kahle lokho ngenzela ukuthi ngivule amathuba omsebenzi ngizozama ukuthi uma ngifika phesheya ngicele imfundaze yabafundi ngibike ney'nkinga esibhekene nazo e-South Africa ngoba engicabanga ukuthi izwe amazwe amaningi kakhulu ayasebenzisana ne-South Africa ingakho bafowethu akukhona ukuhlakanipha kwami ngoba echaza nje ngibizwe ngamazwe ngenxa yokusebenza usechazile ngoba khona abantu abangasazi isilungu uthi ngahamba ngaye entabeni uJesu lapha ayifundisa khona abafundi bakhe nganikeza umfana omncane amandla ngathi akalayithile ikhandlela walilayitha ikhandlela uthe esuka ngase ngithi akalithathe kuzosukuma idwala lasukuma idwala ngase ngithi ababuke phezulu kwavuleka umyezi ngaphinde ngaya nabejordani ngangena emanzini kwangena ifoni bayithatha ifoni ngasasebenza ekhaya umlungu ophesheya ngayibamba ngesandla yalungana yavuleka ifoni akukhona ukuthi ngangiphethe isikhwama kuphathwa isikhwama lapha. Tell him you've got no help here. Yeah. You've got no help. You've got no help here.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For holding.
no, not in the television.
Thank you.
Thanks.